Yo, good morning, officer.
Good morning.
Happy New Year.
What's up?
What's up?
Um, do you know why I pulled you over?
No, but you can tell me.
Yeah, because you damaged the state property.
Oh, okay, okay. My bad.
So can I see your can I see your passport and driver license?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can go. You free to go. You clear. Next time
All
if
right,
I
thank
saw
you.
you you're doing like that, I will arrest you.
All right, thank you, officer. Happy New
You're
Year.
welcome. You're welcome.